In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through how to quickly add an income or expense on the Song Nhi app. Let's dive in. 1. Adding an expense. Start by going to Pinned Pages and selecting Add Expense. For this example, I'll enter $20 and add a note saying dinner. Next, I'll click on Select Category, and since this expense is a necessity, I'll choose that category. Then I'll click Next, Add Tags, and add any relevant tags to label this transaction. Once that's done, I hit Done, and just like that, if I go back to the transaction history, I can see the expense I've just added. 2. Adding an income. Now, let's add an income. This is similar to adding an expense, but we'll allocate it across the 6-jar system. Start by navigating to Pinned Pages and choosing Add Income. I'll enter the note, amount, and date for this transaction, and then click Next, select Category. Here I can pick between active or passive income. After selecting, I click Next, add tags to label the income with tags. Now, we'll go to Next. Jar. Budgeting. This is where I can adjust the percentage of each jar if I want, depending on my financial goals. Once that's set, I just click Done. Now back in the transaction history, I can see the income I've just added. And here's a time-saving tip. You can quickly add both income and expenses through the Song Nhi chat box. Just type in the details and it'll be recorded right away. Perfect for capturing transactions on the go. And thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Also, if you're looking for a smart way to manage your finances and escape the rat race, check out Song Nhi, the perfect finance app to help you achieve financial freedom. You can download it today and start your journey. Drop a comment below and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Thanks again for your support, and I'll see you in the next one.